This is the best way to set up your WhatsApp business account in 2023. Okay, let's get straight into it. Firstly, go and download the WhatsApp business app in Google Play or in the App Store. Just a tip, keep your personal WhatsApp separate from your business WhatsApp. Why? It keeps it very nice and organized, and it's not possible to have two accounts on the same number. You will have to split them. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your WhatsApp business step by step and the right structure to get optimal results. Let's go.
Okay, so go into WhatsApp Business. If you download it, then you're gonna have something like this. You're gonna click on agree and continue. You're gonna put in your number. It's then gonna send you an SMS just to confirm it's your number. And then when you fill it in, it will verify it and you will have your WhatsApp then set up. All right, when you verified your WhatsApp, you're gonna come to your business profile section. So here, if you are a consultant, a sales rep, you are the business yourself, I would put a picture of myself there. If you are like a brick and mortar, brand to consumer, then obviously put your logo in there. After adding your profile picture, next step is going to be put in your business name. Then put in your category. If you don't see it here, you can go search it. Then click next. Right. Here are a few things we want to set up for optimal results on WhatsApp. We're going to go through that right now. So firstly, let's finish the business profile setup. So click on business profile. You're going to see your business name, phone number, then put in a business description. So the business description needs to describe exactly what you do. It doesn't have to be a pitch, a long thing. Just explain what you do. So when someone gets to your business profile, say from an ad or brand new eyeballs that's getting onto your business, that they can quickly see what you do and understand everything about you. So I'm just gonna add a quick description here. After adding the description, next step is going to be add a cover photo. The cover photo needs to tell exactly what you do. It makes it easy for people to understand when they get to your profile to see exactly what you have to offer. All right, just a quick tip. The sizing of the cover photo needs to be 1600 pixels by 900 pixels. Then let's add the business hours. So if you're a brick and mortar business, you probably have hours that you work in. It helps your potential clients see exactly which times they can contact you. And if they contact you outside of those hours, it will automatically trigger to show a away message. And we'll show that part, how to add that. So now you put in, if you are always open or by appointment only or open for selected hours, just add that. For me, I'm always open, and then you can select the days and times. Next part is going to be add your address. So if you are a location specific business that needs people to come to your physical address to do business, then add that address there. Otherwise, you can just add a normal address, a city or whatever. Then let's add the email address, website, and catalog. In the catalog, we'll go through that exactly what to set up there. All right, after adding your email and website, let's go into setting up your catalog. So the catalog is basically for your services or products you deliver. If you are products, obviously you're gonna add exactly which products you sell, and that can be used for someone can directly buy off WhatsApp. Services could be someone can easily understand which services to acquire by. If you have prices for those services, you can add them there, and that will make the transaction much easier. So let's set up the catalog. So what you'll do now is add an image inside of the catalog that describes exactly what you do. After adding your image, then add the name that specifically describes the service. So this will be digital marketing consulting. Then add the price. If you don't have a specific price, you can leave that open. Then add a specific description that explains exactly what you do, what you offer in this service or this product. Then if you have a specific website or page on your website you want to push traffic to, meaning people that get to this specific product or service, you can add that. Or if you have a specific product that you're selling here, like say maybe you're selling a phone or a, I don't know, a power bank or whatever you're selling, you can put that image in there, the name, the description, and the specific link to that product where someone can go buy it and maybe the item code. After that's all done, you can go ahead and click on save. After adding all your catalogs, like your services or your products that you want to display, then let's go back and set up the rest of the stuff. So catalog is done, it will show up there. Then what I would highly recommend is setting up your Facebook and Instagram. I'll link in this video where you can go and set up your Facebook or how to do it as well with your Instagram. So when you added your Instagram and your Facebook, we can go back and continue the rest of the setup. So here is what we call a short link, and this is basically that you can share if you are a setup shop somewhere or you're a normal brick and mortar, or even if you just like a normal consultant, you can share a link or a QR code that can instantly start a chat with someone. And then there's a lot of stuff we can do to automate this, to put someone through a specific system we want them to go through to get them to buy or, retarget. There's plenty of stuff that we can do, but this short link is very important for us to share through a QR code or a short link. This message, you can set up exactly what you want them to say to you. Hello, I'm interested in one of your products. That is a simple way that this conversation can start. Right, after putting exactly in what is the short link message, you're just gonna say save. Back to business tools. Cool. Next steps are going to be your greeting message, away message, quick replies, and then we're going to go through how you can use labels to sort your contacts so that it's easy for you to make broadcast messages for retargeting purposes or promotions. So when setting up your greeting message, it is exactly for when someone started a message with you or if they haven't responded to you like in 14 days of activity. So this is a very, very important part of being able to quick reply and quickly get back their attention if they haven't responded back to you. So you're gonna put there send greeting message, and then recipients, that will be on everyone. And then here, this is an example how you can put it. Thank you for contacting Ilyan Kroger. Please let us know how we can help you. That is one way you can put it. If you have something more specific, it depends on what business you have, you can put it in there. But for me, this is completely fine. Next step is we want to put a away message in our WhatsApp business profile. That's meaning when someone sends you a message, if they come from an ad, your short link, wherever, and you are not available right now. That could be you set on your WhatsApp, you're not available, your calendar is not available, or it's completely outside of your business hours, or even throughout the weekend if you didn't put that times you do not work, right? So that is what the away message is for. So check this out. Let's go there, send away message, schedule, always send. You can put outside business hours, custom schedule. So this is always send an automated message at all times. So this would be if they reply, this will anyways, or not reply, send you a message. This will always, come through that you are not available right now. But the best one I would recommend is outside of business hours or custom schedule. Those are the two that I would play around with. The best one would probably for me would be outside of business hours. Then your message can look something similar to thank you for your message. We're unavailable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. This you need to customize based on your business. For me, this will be fine. Quick replies. So quick replies, it makes it easier for you to reply quickly to common questions, common stuff. You have like a specific shortcut that will send a specific phrase. This starts getting very, very handy when you start running ads and you get a lot of conversations, and you can easily then manage those conversations with quick replies. So to be honest, I don't really use this. I haven't really got that much demand for this right now, but you can set this up for you if you really know exactly of specific questions that people ask you. You can give a quick reply to them, but it's pretty self-explanatory how to set this up. Then labels. Labels, like I said, this is going to be used for retargeting, broadcasting exactly a promotion, something in that line. So what will happen is, if you get a new message coming in and this is a new customer, you can then label that as a new customer, new order, pending payment, paid. This just keeps everything organized, different chats, and you can then go inside of that label and know, all right, these are all my new customers. I need to be sending them once a month to upsell them to other products, or once a month to ask, is everything still all right? It all depends on your business. This one could be for all your new orders, and you can name them as you would like. It just helps you keep it way more organized in your chats. Say new orders, you would know, okay, all my new orders is inside of these labels or in this specific label, and I can go in there and follow up on the order, etc. So these are your labels you can use, and you can customize them exactly how you would want by just editing and then putting a specific name for that order. So the next part, we're gonna go to settings. Then you'll see here is linked devices. For this linked devices, this is if you want to use your WhatsApp business on other mobile devices, or you want to be using it on your laptop device. This is how you would link it. So you can link it here. So it's easy so say if you have your WhatsApp business and you have a bunch of employees that needs to be using it, they can upload this to their desktop or their laptop or their phone, and everyone can commute inside of this WhatsApp business. And this helps for keeping track of customers coming in, replying to them. There is a limit from how many devices you can use with this specific WhatsApp business, but I would highly recommend at least adding it to your desktop or your laptop. So everything is done right now. What we want to do is we want to go view our WhatsApp business profile and see it in live action, just to see if we're satisfied and see if it's ready for our customers to start chatting to us on WhatsApp. So you're going to go to short link. You're going to go copy your link there, and then you're going to go to a browser. This could be Safari, Google, whichever browser you would like. You're going to go and put that link in. Okay, so I went ahead and put this link into Safari. Then it picks up you're the owner of this WhatsApp business account. So you're just gonna go continue to chat. Just open. All right. So this is what your customer will see if they go on your short link, like your QR code or the link, or they got your number from a friend or whatever, a referral, and they get to your WhatsApp. This is what will pop up. Hi, tell me more about your consulting services. Does that look familiar? Yes, that is the greeting message. So now it makes it easier for them to send exactly about that. They can then go ahead as well to ask about your catalogs. So the client can go ask about this specific catalog, product, service, whatever. Then if they want to, which most people do, is they go check out your profile. They can see exactly your profile picture. They can see your cover photo. It's just blocked a bit now. Then they'll see what you do. You're a marketing agency, or in my case, then your different catalogs, what you offer, your services, your products. And if you have more than 3, they can go into see all, and they will be able to see the rest of everything that you have to offer. Then here they can see your email address, your website, your Facebook and your Instagram. and they can add you as a contact, label you, they can do all of that. So now this is what you want to be looking through to see if everything looks fine, if you need to change something. This time is for you to fix everything that you might have maybe not done right in the first place, so you can fix it now before putting it out to the world to see. Cool.
Right, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for sticking with this tutorial, and I hope you found value. If you did, please consider like and subscribing to my channel. It helps out a lot. Other than that, see you next time. Right.